Hi everybody, this is a quick video on how to scan a document with your Android phone using an app you probably already have. So this is a useful thing for whenever you did some work on paper and you want to be able to upload that, email it, do something like that. But you want it to look better than just a regular photo, right? Regular photos are often dark and hard to read. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android phone, and this will also work on a lot of Android tablets. I'm also going to post a separate video about how to do this on iPhones because it works a bit differently there. So let's get started. The thing we're going to use is the Google Drive app. It looks just like this. You probably have it pre-installed, but if you don't, go to your app store and download the Google Drive app. It might be in a folder called Google if you're looking for it. So when you open it up, it'll ask you to sign in with your school ID to make sure that everything gets saved to your school Google Drive account. That's your regular school email. So once you've done that, you're going to see something like this. This is a list of all of the files you have in your school Google Drive. The thing that we need is this plus button down here. That means add a new file. So tap that, and you'll get a new screen that looks like this. You want to create a new file. Yours might look a little different, but what you want is the scan button. So when you tap that scan button, your normal take a photo screen is going to show up. You might have to give the app permission to use your camera. That's okay. Please do that. So go find the thing you want to scan and take a photo of it and make it the nicest photo you can, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So when you do, you'll see something like this. And this is just a regular photo, nothing special yet. If you think it's not good enough or it got blurry, you can tap retry. But when you're happy with the photo, tap OK. And that's where the first bit of magic happens. So the app will change it over to this nice, no background, cropped, clean picture, right? It automatically adjusts it. This is what's good for uploading and sharing. It's easy to read. It's much clearer than a regular photo. So now here's a second bit of magic. If you have more pages that you want to put all together, tap this plus button in the bottom corner, and that'll bring up the photo screen again. Take another photo, and it's just going to add it into this document you're creating. So when you do that, it might look like this. So this is just another random document that I wrote on. If you think it doesn't look good enough, you can hit the back button. There's different adjustments. You can change the crop or the colors. You can delete the file you just added. But in general, you don't have to worry about this because it automatically looks pretty good. So when you're all done with all the pictures you want to take, hit the save button. That says I'm all done. It brings up a save screen like this. Give it a sensible name. It's going to go in your Google Drive. Make sure it's your school account right here. And when you're all set up, tap Save. Okay, and that'll take you back to the main screen. You'll see your files, and somewhere in there will be your file. So here's the one I just did. You'll see it's a PDF. If you tap on it, then there's all of your scanned files all together in one place. And what can you do with that? Well, you can go to your Drive and email it. You can download it and then upload it to a Blackboard assignment. You can print it. You can do anything else you might want to do with a file like this. So that's everything here. I am going to post a separate video about how to do this on iPhones.